All right, kids, it's just in from Fox News that there is an ice day today. Ice day. Can you believe that? Look at this. Did you see that? Okay, now I know it's a little bit too late, but are you excited about the fact that there's no school today? Yes, all of Houston and all of the surrounding cities shut down today because it is about 28 degrees, between 28 and 36 degrees outside, and everything is frozen. Come here, I want to show you something. Look at this. Okay, these are called icicles. Now, in case you don't know, when the weather is below the freezing point, which it hasn't been yet, but it's gotten a lot colder than what Houston is used to, then these icicles start to form. What are icicles made out of? I'll give you a second to think about it. Did you think water? That's right. Okay, when it's really cold outside and it starts to drizzle a little bit and it gets too cold, then the water and the mist starts to freeze, and that's how you get icicles. Okay, I want to talk to you about something else. Now, whenever you want to try to tell the temperature, you use something called a thermometer. Write that down in your science notebooks, kids. Thermometer. Thermometer. Fabulous. Okay, now, whenever you want to try to measure the type of wind or how much wind there is outside in the atmosphere, you use something called an anemometer or a wind gauge. I'll show it to you in just a second. Look across your screen. Now, whenever you want to measure something like how much rain there is outside, which, what's another word for rain? Did you think precipitation? You're correct, precipitation. You use something called a rain gauge. And that is an instrument that is used to measure how much rainfall there is or how much rain there is in the atmosphere. I want to show you something else. Move with me. Come on. All right. Look right over here at this little slide. There's lots of ice down here. And this is not good to play in or fall on when you are trying to slide down the slide. So you have to wait until it gets a little warmer outside, and then you guys can come back to school. Hopefully by Monday you'll be able to come back, which in Houston, most likely you'll be able to come back, because right now today it's about 28 to 30 degrees at like 2, 3, 4 in the morning, and then around 9 through 1 o'clock it went up to the 30s, and they said at 2 and 3 o'clock today that it would be exactly 36 degrees. Now, that is still cold for any Houstonians. It's not as cold as New York or Chicago or any of those northern states, but it is very cold for Houston because we're used to the warm weather, right? Exactly. So, here's what we're going to do. You stick it out today. Stay in the house. No going outside and playing. Don't try to get on the roads. Don't ask your mom to go to Chuck E. Cheese because it's dangerous outside. And when it sleets outside, that's ice. It's on the road. It's on the freeway. And it's a little bit too dangerous for the tires to tread on. You can wait until tomorrow when it's like 60 degrees, and that'll be the perfect time for you to go outside because all of the ice will have melted and it'll be a perfect time for you to go outside. Any questions?